how to chat on Barclays app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can chat on Barclays app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to chat on Barclays app, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Barclays app on your smartphone and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Navigate to the Help or Contact Us section from the menu options. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Chat or Live Chat and tap on it. Step 5. Start your chat. You might be connected to a chatbot first and then to a customer service agent if needed. Step 6. Provide any required information to the agent and they'll assist you with your query. So that's how you can chat on Barclays app. That's all for this video.